To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Use a screwdriver to loosen the air hose. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Tuck it if needed. Disengage the fasteners. Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter. Insert your new filter into the housing. Slide the air hose back onto the filter housing. Make sure the tabs are secure in their catch. Re-engage the fasteners. Retighten the hose clamp. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.